Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will analyze Blackpink's song Pink Venom in terms of vocabulary and grammar. Enjoy your time. Thank you for watching. The song starts with kick in the door, waving the cocoa. Kick in the door means to forcefully enter a place, and waving the cocoa likes refers the flaunting or showing off something. Although the term cocoa itself is not a standard Korean word, it may be a slang or a creative expression in the context of the song. Next line. 팝콘이나 챙겨 껴둘 생각 말고. Popcorn. 이나 means or. 챙겨 껴둘 생각 말고 translates to don't think about grabbing popcorn or anything, just come in. Here 챙겨 means to grab or take, and 껴둘 is a slang term that can mean to come in or join in or involve. Let's move on. Next line. I talk that talk, run ways, I walk. This line emphasizes the confidence and swagger of the speaker. I talk that talk means the speaker backs up what they say, and runways I walk suggests that they confidently walk on runways, possibly referring to the fashion industry or just metaphorically for success. Next line starts with 눈 감고 pop. 눈, it is eye. 눈을 감다 means to close the eyes. 눈 감고 pop and po아도 촉. 눈 감고 means with the eyes closed, and pop is an onomatopoeic term that could represent a popping sound or action. And po아도 촉 implies that speaker doesn't even need to look to know what's going on. An means not, 보다 means to see, and do means to, and 촉 means direction. One by one, then two by two. This line likely refers to the speaker's action or the way things are happening, one thing happening after another, and then two things happening at the time. 내 손끝 툭 하나에 다 무너지는 중. 내 손끝 means at the tip of my fingers, and 툭 하나에 means with just one flick, and the line conveys the power and impact of the speaker's action. 가짜 쇼 직원 화려했지. 가짜 쇼 직원 화려했지. 가짜 means fake or false, show means show, and 화려했지, 화려하다 means glamorous or magnificent. The line suggests that despite being fake, the show put on was still glamorous. Makes no sense, you couldn't get $1 out of me. This line implies that the speaker is not easily manipulated or fooled, and their value cannot be reduced to mere money. 자, 오늘 밤이야. 난 독을 품은 것. 자, 오늘 밤이야 means well, it's tonight. 자 means well, 오늘, today. 밤, it's night. Well, it's tonight. And 난 독을 품은 것. 난, I am. 독을 품은 것, flower with poison. And this metaphor suggests that the speaker may appear beautiful but also dangerous. 내 혼을 빼앗은 다음. 내 혼을 빼앗은 다음. Look what you made us do. This line implies that after taking away something important from the other person, the speaker is now retaliating or reacting based on the action. So let's move on. 천천히 널 잠재울 fire. 천천히 means slowly. 널 is a contraction of 너를, which means you. It is object. And 잠재울 means to put to sleep or calm down. Fire in this context likely refers to the speaker's speaker's intensity or power. 잔인할만큼 아름다워. I bring the pen like. 잔인할만큼 means as brutal as. 아름다워 means beautiful. And I bring the pen like emphasizes the speaker's ability to bring intensity or inflict pain.